Bihar's Education Minister Mewalal Chaudhary, mired in corruption charges, submitted his resignation on Thursday, 3 days after taking oath as part of the Chief Minister Nitish Kumar's cabinet. Chaudhary, who was allocated the portfolio on Tuesday, a day after taking oath, sent his resignation immediately after assuming charge at 1 p.m., said the informed sources. Chaudhary, who belongs to the JDU, which is headed by the Chief Minister himself, had been named and accused in a 5-year-old case relating to alleged irregularities in appointment of teachers and technicians at Bihar Agricultural University in Bhagalpur, where he was the Vice-Chancellor. Bihar's main opposition RJD and its alliance partners on Wednesday had attacked Nitish Kumar for appointing Chaudhary as the Education Minister, even though he faces corruption charges and was suspended from the party over the issue. An anti-terrorism court in Pakistan on Thursday sentenced Jamat-ud-Dawa head Hafiz Saeed along with 3 others to 10-year rigorous imprisonment in an illegal funding case. The court also ordered that Saeed's properties be confiscated. Mumbai terror attack mastermind Hafiz Saeed, a UN-designated terrorist on whom the US has placed a $10 million bounty, was arrested on July 17th last year in 2 terror financing cases. He was sentenced to 11 years in jail by an anti-terrorism court in February in them. He is lodged at the Lahore's high-security Kot Lakhpat jail. Saeed and his 2 close aides, Zafar, Iqbal and Yahya Mujahid, have been sentenced to 10.5 years each, while JUD chief's brother-in-law Abdul Rehman Makki was sentenced to 6 months of imprisonment. As an immediate measure to curb the spurt in COVID-19 cases in Delhi, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Thursday announced a raise in the penalty against those who are not wearing masks in the national capital amid a raging pandemic. During the all-party meeting on Thursday, Kejriwal said that the fine has been increased from Rs 500 to Rs 2,000 for those roaming around in public places without masks. He also urged all political parties and social organizations to distribute masks to people in Delhi. The Chief Minister further thanked the Centre for the extra intensive care unit beds for COVID patients in Delhi. The Delhi government had called an emergency meeting on Thursday to discuss the dire coronavirus situation in the national capital as it grapples with a spurt in cases. A parliamentary committee questioned Twitter on Thursday over the recent obscene tweets by stand-up comedian Kunal Kamra targeting the Supreme Court and the Chief Justice of India, and sought a reply from the social media giant over the matter within 7 days, said the panel's chairperson Meenakshi Lekhi. This came close on the heels of Twitter apologizing in writing to the same parliamentary panel for wrongly showing Ladakh in China and promising to correct the error by month end. Twitter India representatives deposed before the Joint Committee of Parliament on Data Protection Bill on Thursday. It is shameful that Twitter is allowing its platform for obscene remarks like the one by stand-up comedian Kunal Kamra against the Supreme Court and the CJI, Lekhi told reporters. Shiv Sena leader Nitin Nandgaonkar, who recently demanded that Bandra's Karachi Sweets should change its name because of its link to Pakistan. In a video that has now gone viral, Nandgaonkar is seen telling the owner of the sweet shop in Bandra West how he hates the name because of its association with Pakistan and terrorists. The owner then tries to explain to Nandgaonkar that the name was given by his ancestors because they had come from Karachi after the partition, to which the Shiv Sena leader argues that he can name his shop after anything, his ancestors or himself, but not Karachi because it is a place associated with terrorists. Several people, however, outraged on Twitter, condemning the behavior of Shiv Sena leader. However, Shiv Sena MP and party senior leader Sanjay Raut took to Twitter later to defend the name of the sweet shop and said that Karachi Bakery and Karachi Sweets have been in Mumbai since last 60 years.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.